Welcome to episode 6. The Gus Bus is in the shop right now. I got back from Yosemite last week and my dashboard started flashing lithium-ion battery error codes at me. Finished off my work week, made an appointment, got a hotel, dropped it off for service this morning. They did some diagnostics on it and they got back to me saying that I need a new water pump for my battery. So it's not a battery failure, which is wonderful because I'd be here for at least a week. Now I purchased the Bright Drop new, so I'm under bumper to bumper warranty and I'm also under a battery warranty. So everything's covered. The only expense that I have to pay for is my hotel stay. Milo's staying with a sitter right now, so he'll make an appearance later on in the video when I get the Bright Drop back, either tomorrow or the next day. Just waiting in the room for the Bright Drop. I dropped the Gus Bus at the Chevrolet dealership yesterday morning, 7 a.m. Thursday. After diagnostics, they got back to me in the afternoon saying that I needed a new water pump for my battery coolant system. So they ordered the part. It was going to be 7 to 10 days shipping, but they were able to overnight the part and it got here this morning, Friday at 10:30. Not quite early enough for service to be finished and for me to pick the Bright Drop up this evening, so I'll be staying one more night in the hotel. I've checked out of the hotel. I'm heading to the dealership right now. If anyone's looking for a Bright Drop to do an electric camper van conversion, go to your local Chevy dealership. This one's got like 5 of them besides mine on the lot. 600. It's quite a bit longer than the 400, which is the one I have. This one's got black doors too. Funky. There she is. Home sweet home. All right, the Gus Bus is back on the road. Look who's back. I just picked up Mr. Milo. Happy to see him. Very, very happy to have him back in the van. Good boy, Milo. He's happy to see me too. It's gonna be a cozy rainy night. I got some Cheez-Its and some hot chocolate from inside my work. And I'm gonna make this here barbecue chicken mac and cheese with bacon. It doesn't just come in the cup. We get the packets, so I took a couple extra. I do apologize. The episode is going to be very short this week. I didn't do a lot of recording in the Marriott. I was sleeping, eating, watching TV, and sleeping. I felt like a caged bird in a way. It was nice, don't get me wrong. The Marriott was very nice, but it felt like a lot of extra empty space to me. This is a very small space, but it's filled with all of the things that I love. This is my entire life. Even though I'm under warranty, I was honestly tripping. I wanted to be in the van so bad. I need to get some dishing utensils.
We're good. How about you, Sage? Don't you? You're not numbing.